Okay, Tongan, happy Tongan Language Week, everybody. The only thing I really wanted to, because I love Tongan food, but I have not tried, how do you say it? Lo'i Hoosi.
Lo'i Hoosi.
So what is it?
Horse meat, pretty much.
Horse meat. Okay.
From down the road.
Oh yeah, so they source it from the paddocks down the road. Okay, sweet. So it's in coconut cream.
Coconut cream.
Does it have anything else in it?
Onions.
Let's smell it. Smells good.
Wow.
Okay, I've never tried horse meat in my life. Even though like my first boyfriend was a Tongan, he never gave me horse meat.
Do you guys need help with the home? Did I just tell you to take it home?
Chewy.
Not too chewy. It's almost tender. But just the flavour. Tastes like mackerel. Tastes like mackerel to me. You know, like whai ilingi. It tastes like whai ilingi. It's actually yum. Well done.
And then you guys take another 5 boxes from here.
Yeah, I want to try the
Today is
Muripi
not
too.
enough.
It's actually not bad. No, you eat first. I'll see how many I can get down.
Some can go one.
Oh my god, I love it. I actually really like it. Not more than lamb, because lamb's my favorite. But it's actually quite nice. It's got a really weird flavour. Do you like it? No, like have you tasted crocodile?
Never.
Kangaroo? Kangaroo is gamey as.
Similar to that.
No, this is nicer compared to kangaroo. Kangaroo is like you feel like you're eating roadkill. Something that someone ran over and then they just made it into a soup. But this is actually quite nice. It tastes like mackerel to me. Like whai ilingi.
Is it on?
Wow. I actually really like it. Okay, maybe not. Maybe not on my third bite.
It's late.
Different again.
You should have started that.
I'm gonna swallow this. Is it like... It's very lean too. I love the way that Tongans make manioke. Do you say manioke or manioka?
Monday, Tuesday.
Geen wel. Geen hoofd.
No, I can't. I can't eat it. Trust me. I'm always scared because I always get like food poisoning from Muripi. Oh, she made it nice. That's nice.
That's what happened.
Oh, she's good, eh?
That's soft.
Yeah, very soft, very tender. What about the lamb?
Tender as well.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's my jam. That's my jam right there. That lamb. But all I could... The first 2 bites tasted nice like mackerel, like whai ilingi. And then the third bite,
You're thinking of it.
now I know it's horse. Yeah.
Don't think about that.
Yeah, but what if... I mean, like, would you be tempted? I mean, would you still eat it if it was dark?
I've never tried it.
No, but that's what I mean.
Yeah.
Like, could you get past it in your head? Could you? Really? You could eat a dog? Can you eat a cat? A dad? Can you eat a cat? Really? I'd eat a cat before I eat a dog.